A man had cared for a bird for many years, and the bird had accompanied him through countless lonely days. Over time, they developed a deep bond, almost as if they were family. One day, the man noticed the bird was unusually weak and unable to fly. Sensing that the bird might be having difficulty laying an egg, he grew deeply concerned and immediately sought advice from a veterinarian. The vet recommended gently massaging the bird's abdomen to help it lay the egg. The man carefully followed the instructions, his warm hands providing silent comfort. After some effort, the bird finally laid the egg successfully. The man breathed a sigh of relief, watching the exhausted bird with a heart full of gratitude and joy. This experience made him cherish their bond even more, realizing that it was this deep connection that gave him the strength to protect the bird.